Today we're going to be teaching and doing the hen house. And you're like, the hen house block? What in the world is a hen house block? Well, do you see these little flying geese going at an angle inside that square? This is just as easy as it can be to get all these little chicks inside their hen house. It is so easy to do with what we call option 3 flying geese, and then also option 6, which is use your imagination and put other things together to come up with a new block or a new triangle unit, and we call those options. And we're going to get started on that teaching here in just a moment. Okay, so we're going to jump right in here and start teaching, but I wanted to I always like to read reviews and text messages and everything, because that helps those of you who are new to us, maybe never bought our fabric, never done any of our stuff. It helps you find out a little bit more about it. And these are, of course, just ones that people send to us. And this one says, Jodi, I've been totally immersed in your videos, and you so often recommend to watch them over and over and over again. And she said, I have been doing it. She said, I have embedded it in my brain. I constantly have a video going. And she said, the firefly, which is, we're going to show a little bit of it today and more next week, is really starting to come together for me. And wow, what a game changer. So a firefly is when you have a whole lot of half square triangles together in a row in a quilt, and you kind of make them all at once. And it's just crazy. You can go in to the website and look up a firefly video, and about a year ago and a few months ago in the spring of 23, I did a whole webinar showing you everything of the firefly, and that's really going to be your best in-depth video on the technique. Other places where I do it, I don't go as far into detail on the teaching of it. And she said, I just want you to know that as I'm sewing and learning, I have gained even more appreciation for your teaching and the amazing value of Premium Club and Quilt Club Week. And I'll tell you about Premium Club and Quilt Club Week here in just a moment. I'm a national board certified teacher of mathematics, and I would like for you to know that wholeheartedly I believe your teaching in the quilt world is equivalent of you holding a national board certification, teacher certification in the amazing Square and a Square system. Yay, thank you. I am so very appreciative of your system and the extremely high quality of teaching and production that you and Steve worked so hard to bring us. I hope all Premium Club members and Quilt Club members appreciate what a treasure you guys really are. So for those of you that are new, again, Steve is my husband, retired pharmacist, and he is now our IT guy. He does all the website, he does all of the videos, just everything so that we can bring this right into your home online. And we so appreciate Steve. Round of applause for him. It wouldn't matter what I taught, if I was a good teacher or a lousy teacher, if we didn't have Steve back there to bring it to you. I spent 40 years on the road, and maybe the last 7 or so, Steve was retired and went with me all the time. But it's a hard life being on the road, and we really are enjoying being at home since COVID and being able to do all of this online for you. So this one more, it says, what amazing material and such quality. It can be scary ordering fabrics online, but I never have to worry with the Square in a Square fabrics. And then another one says, you've created a monster in me. I'm dissecting all kinds of blocks and quilts after the Farmer's Wife class. I'll probably never buy another book, just look at pictures.